Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is your boy Andrew Gonzalez Jr. here, back at again with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make free PayPal money in 2019. And just a little while ago, I just cashed out on the $50 PayPal payout, you guys. So it says right here, I just went in rewards tab, and it says right there, $50 PayPal approved 8 minutes ago. So just 8 minutes ago, I just got $50 in PayPal with this free app called Featurepoints. So as you can see there, I'm in my email. They just sent me a confirmation of the payment itself. It says Featurepoints has sent you $50 USD. So it says right there, you guys, Featurepoints. It gave me the money straight in my email account. So as you can see there, it says transaction details, January 8th, 2019, $50 USD. That was when the money was received. So that was just a few hours ago. I just got it, you guys. It was free, $50 USD with the Featurepoints app. So the link will be in my description below if you would like to sign up. I'll give you 50 coins for free just for sign up with my link. It's free for iOS and Android device as well. So all you mainly do is just play games, apps. You could do surveys and cashback rewards in exchange of PayPal money. So that's my proof right there from Featurepoints. They sent me $50 USD free PayPal money in 2019. You see my proof there. That was my account. So if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and don't forget to hit that little bells icon for more future content coming up. Thank you, and God bless you all.